this video I am going to make another one project number 7. So this is the isometric view. All dimensions are given. So first of all, you create 2D views on your notebook and find out all dimension, calculate all dimension, then you should start. So I am going to start from the front view. So let's start. Go for sketch and start from the front plane. Click OK. And just first create a center rectangle. Okay, so length is 96 and width is, you can calculate, 64. So define that values. Now this value, length values, we have how much? 96 mm, and width values as I calculated 64. You can calculate that values, that will be 64. And then next inside line I have to create with some values, offset values, how much? 16 mm. Okay, so both side you can see. So how to create? Also you can create with profile, and also you can offset this. So close it and go for offset. In offset you have to choose single curve and click on horizontal and vertical both curve and define that value 16 mm. Yes, just click OK and trim unwanted sketches. Okay, so now your loop is ready. Close loop, just close it. And how much you have to extrude, you can see that the values, just go for extrude, that value is 64 mm. Again you can see here in bottom total value is 64 mm. Okay, so just define that value 64 mm and then click OK. So now your perpendicular plate is ready. Next apply chamfer. So one value is 20 mm, another one value you can see here 30 mm. Okay, so with that value just apply chamfer. Go for chamfer and define distance first 20 mm, distance second 30 mm. Click on as OK, just click OK. You can hide this sketch. So let's see next step. So next we are going to create this slot. So for that some values we need. So what values? This length you can say 20 mm and width some values is given, how much? 16 mm you can see here. And what is the position? Position you can see here from this line 24 mm. So just create that sketch. That is simple rectangle. Go for rectangle. From this just choose corner rectangle and define rapid dimension. How much? So this values is, again you can see here 16 mm. So just define, this is already 16, no need to change, and this value will be 20 mm. Just define these values 20 mm. Okay, just you can coincide it, or you can define 0 mm distance from this both line. Okay, so I'm applying 0 mm. You can see now your line is on boundary. So both option you can choose. Coincidence also you can use. So I am applying 0 mm distance between both line or center point. Just a second, like that. After selecting your entities you will get that option. So that option is not a no issue, just apply 0 values. Okay, next you have to define position 24 mm. So just go for rapid dimension, select a boundary line and this line and define 24 mm. Just close it. Next another circle we need. No need to define any radius or diameter, just create with that lines reference. Okay, just trim and then close it. Now you can cut it. Go for extrude and just subtract it, change your direction, and in boolean you can change. So now also that is in subtract, so no need to change. You can hide this sketch if you want. So next step you are going to get this area, this portion. Okay, so length is 40 mm. Okay, and height value, something value is given in drawing 28 mm you can see. Okay, so from the back side you are going to create. So just rotate it and create a sketch on this face and create corner rectangle first. Just go for corner rectangle. Yes, from this corner you are going to create. Already you calculated that values, what values you have to define? 40 mm first, So go for rapid dimension and define 40 mm. Okay, and define this value. You can see it, that value is 28 mm. Okay, from the top face. So go for rapid dimension and define this value. How much? 28 mm. Okay, just close it. Just see next step what you have to do. You have to cut out this semicircle. You have to create with diameter 24 mm. Okay, so in center midpoint, okay, from this midpoint you have to just create a semicircle or full circle. You can create here. Just define that values, how much values you need, and then just trim it. Now your closed section is ready. Now you can extrude it. Just create a solid, just change your direction. Okay, in boolean unite it with your previous solid. So how much values you have to extrude? So you have to calculate it. 64 minus this 22. So you can find out that values. Okay, so just apply that values. How much that value will come? 32. So just apply, sorry, 42. Now you can see this section is ready. Now next last step, what is the step? Now you have to create this rib, or also you can create closed triangle and then you can extrude it. So I'm going to create with closed triangle. Go for back view, sketch, and then you can project this both line because already having edge, so no need to create, and just connect it, connect both end. So now you're having closed loop. So now you can extrude it. Click on extrude, click your sketch carefully, change your direction and apply values. How much values? You can see here 12 mm. Okay, so just define 12 mm. 12 mm. Okay, just and that is in unite. Click OK, hide your sketch. Okay, so this is your model. If you want to apply color, you can apply any color. So I'm going to apply some random color. I think okay, this color is okay. So like that color you can apply for appearance purpose. So this is your model. Okay, you can see.